Vi or V? Strive for Supremacy. This is their first album released in year 2017. Well, let's start. The front cover. Ayan. Ang ganda ng artwork. Black and white na black and white. Nice. Yep. Wala siyang catalog number. So, it's self-release. Yes. Okay. Ito naman. Ooh. Cute ng tarsier. Nice. Ayan, 10 songs. And may nakasulat dito. Ayan. For the lyrics, please visit Facebook. V Metal. Yep. Alright, let's check what's inside. Ayan. Ayan. And this. Yan, naka-CDR siya. And tingnan natin yung okay, yan. Para makita nyo. At ikita yung ano, dahil dito sa glue na to. Sensya na. Ayan. Okay. Sige. Natin yung CD. Ayan. Yeah, black and white din. Naka-CDR. Ayan. Okay. Oops. Dahan, slow. Yan. Para makita nyo ng maigi. Ayan. Okay. Yan. Nice. Alright, let's check the social media. Okay. Follow nyo sila sa Facebook page. Yep. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. Follow them on Spotify. And follow them on Instagram. Okay, that's it for today. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe, everyone.